Alright guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. It's Darkrise, and dude, it's the first ever car show for the Kia Stinger, or for me actually. I've never been in a major car show. Usually it's just car meets and all, and we brought the Kia Stinger out because hopefully it's up to par with all the other vehicles out here. I'm gonna do a quick cinematic montage of all the cars that's made it out, and I'm pretty shocked, not that many KDM cars.
Selling dope on the fucking track. If you got some chronic right now, smoke, you a sack. Don't break a bitch, make her make your money, make it G. If you got weed, well, smoke a sack for me. If you getting hoes, selling dope on the fucking track. If you got some chronic right now, smoke, you a sack. Don't break a bitch, make her make your money, make it G. If you got weed.
Then we got Evans and Nick Stinger. Such a great experience and feeling when I have people looking at my car, walking by it, and just looking at all the details that I've done to the car. People just acknowledging the Stinger is such an accomplishment. It makes me feel so much better. And now I'm gonna be able to sleep at night that people don't come by and aren't like, oh bro, this shit's ass. I had a couple people walk by, take pictures of it, record it, and that's just a great feeling. Guys, I'm gonna walk around the venue. I need you guys to comment down below and tell me what's your favorite vehicle. I've so far picked out two, Aston Martin and a red Supra that I'll show you guys in a bit. But comment down below. Don't say it's my car because I know for a fact it's not your favorite. Just comment whatever car you guys think is the best at the venue. Favorite color would probably have to be this one here. Looks like an emerald green. It looks so freaking sick under this lighting. Genesis next for the channel. What you guys think? A drift build? That'd be sick. Had to put the KDM build race team from plate real quick. My sister says I'm nervous. My armpits are fucking wet right now. Favorite car of the show has to be this Toyota Supra. This shit looks so freaking crazy. Wrapped in a Nosotech red. Damn, dude, this thing is menacing. One day, you guys, once we hit 10,000 subscribers, copying one of these bad boys. Damn, look at this exhaust pipe. 4-roll going down to the side exit. Holy snaps. Imagine driving this in the rain. So I'm debating on what wing to get for the Optima. So far I've been looking into this one because it's very adjustable for aero and it's pretty tall. I want it to be at level with the sunroof of the car. Color with the bronze TEs. Damn, dude. I wonder what kind of wrap this is, or even if it is wrap. I'm definitely going to be doing a system like this for the Optima. That's sick. Little munchie bag. You what?
It's nasty.
It's nasty? That's disrespectful, my guy. About my paint. Look at this one. Now I don't feel out of place. I like the color, it's clean. Blue Forester, he has the list of all the mods. So paint with 5K, body kit 4.5. This is probably the 5th car here with this wrap. It's a pretty popular wrap and it looks good. Not that much orange peel. You could say it almost looks like a real paint job. Dude, this Supra on welds and the color combo is just perfect. I really wanted a Supra, but I would have to get the manual version since they came out. This hood too, look at this. Damn. This, and it has a cage inside. Oh dude, this is a perfect Supra. Next car for the channel? Yes or no, fam? Fresh Kicks 350Z. And he's got the welds in the back. Dude, this thing looks crazy in person. Yo, look at this VIP setup. Flower seats. Got all the stuff inside. Damn, dude. Mr. Steal Your Girl right here. Imagine the Optima with the livery similar to this. KTM built, KSR Performance, and all the other sponsors to support. That shit would go hard. Just trying to figure out what color to go. I'm debating doing a Korean style flag colors or something menacing like matte black with gray. Look at how far the splitter sticks out. That's like a whole foot right there. And then the side exit exhaust, damn. Elantra N, looking good. So in the trunk. Optima would have a livery kind of similar to this. God damn, look at this single exit exhaust. That's probably a 5-inch exit. But we definitely have to put a huge wing. We have to change the wheels. Still trying to find something that would fit the wide body on it. But man, this livery looks so good, and you could tell that this thing actually goes on the track. Fam, look at how much carbon is on this car. Literally every panel is carbon. What the hell? Even the interior. Definitely doing an interior like this for the Optima. Bucket seats, cage, but I would definitely strip and gut the whole interior. Watching YouTube, eating some gummies, chilling until 7 because I pretty much already walked around the whole venue, looked at all the cars. I found out my favorites. Would I do this again? Honestly, probably not. If I were to, I would have to probably do a booth or something with KTM built. But I probably wouldn't do this again. It's leaving your car overnight, preparing. It's like a lot of work. And then at the very end, you don't really get a good spot. Like for me, I got in the very back. I mean, it is what it is. But, and then the other thing is I'm gonna be here till 7. And then even then, it's gonna take forever to roll out. So, only time I'd probably do this again is if I were to have a booth. You know, if maybe one day we get big enough for that anyways. But yeah, I've had fun. A lot of people checking out the car, taking pictures of the car. I wish I brought my laptop so I could be editing while I chill and sit down, and also bring a chair because my butt hurts from being on the cement. Doing the banner with no prep, outdoor, with no tools either, it actually came out pretty good, like better than I've ever had, even like under a prep area. No air bubbles, perfect alignment. It's like dead center too with no measuring tape. Look at that. You guys want to see something similar to this? Do something that Kia didn't do, finish off on the Kia Optima. You know, a real true race car. Get a wing like this. Oh my God, this would be so freaking cool. We already got the carbon fiber trunk. All we have to do is fix up all the carbon bits that are faded, get some new wheels, suspension dialed in, and the wing, and we should be pretty much ready and set to go, other than the cage for the track. Imagine some aero pieces like this. Y'all know anybody that can make some aero pieces like this for the Optima? That should go crazy. This is what we need. Even the carbon door cards. I knew it, let's go. Woo! That's sick, dude. Let's go. Nick with that W. best KDM.
Bro, we're about to die right now of fumes.
Let's see if this thing makes any noise with all these loud exhaust on.
I doubt my car you'll be able to hear it.
See, it's so quiet. And that's a cold start.
You won't be able to hear mine either.
No?
Oh yeah, no. These cars are so loud, you can't even hear the stingers are on or off. I can't tell. I can't even tell if it's on. Does it sound like it's on?
Nick's about to pull out.
Everyone's trying to head out now, and dude, the fumes in here is crazy. I feel like I'm about to die.
There's way too much exhaust fumes in here, and there's like no ventilation, bro. I'm tripping. Nick right behind in his wide body. Dude got a W for the KDM, so let's go. Yo, this is that Fast and Furious vibes when you pull out of that parking structure. 21 miles left of range. Gonna stop to get some E85 since we are running on an E30 blend. $2.99 for E85. Gonna do about 5 gallons of E, and then the rest is gonna be 91. But dude, I've never seen this car so clean, and underneath the gas station lighting, it looks so beautiful. The black looks so much better now that it's been buffed, and I put some good wax on it to cover up the small little scratches that were left. 5 gallons. Gotta get every single drop out here in Cali. But that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, please go hit that like button, you guys. Also subscribe, and let me know if you guys want to see more content like this, if I should be going out to more shows, or what show I should go to. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.